What's going on, guys? Chris from Out West with Chris. I'm up here camping. Just pulled out my Coleman Lantern. I can't remember exactly what model this is, but I noticed that my mantle was all beat up and ruined, basically. So I figured I could do a little video, short, little quick video on how to switch out one of these mantles. It's pretty easy, but there's a few things that you need to do. So I'm sure there's other videos like this on YouTube. But anyways, I figure maybe somebody can benefit from this. So first thing you're going to do is dismantle everything. So you got a little kind of a nut type thing right here. That's off. Pull off the lid. Oh. Yeah, you don't want to breathe that, actually. So we got the lid off. From here, here's the old mantle, and this is really brittle and like dust. You don't really want to breathe this dust in. So you're gonna want to throw that away. And then you're gonna have to take off the clips from your prior mantle. Just like that, okay? This version does a tube mantle. So you have clips on the bottom as well. So we gotta take those off here. All the trash to the side. I'm gonna get all this junk down on the bottom as much as I can.
Can you pour it out?
Yeah, we could tip it over. That's all clean. Next, this is the type of mantle you're gonna wanna get for this type of Coleman Lantern. I should figure out which Coleman Lantern this is so I could have a better video, but anyways. So this is a Instaclip number 95 mantle. It's a tube style, and I'll show you what that means in just a second. This is one of those things, if you car camp and you use these gas lanterns, you know, it's always good to carry some spares. So this is a set of two, and this is kind of what they look like. Kind of accordion out like so, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this clip and you want to get this all the way around the top and the bottom. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to clip it to the top, and you're going to try to get that thing up there around the whole thing, and then you're going to take the little arms of the clip. Ooh, it fell off. You're going to take the little arms of the clip and wrap them around each other. The next step is to pull down the other section and get it around that. You want it all the way around. So we're gonna pull it down, get it around, and then we're gonna, come on now. So here's what I'm talking about. You take these two wire ends that stick out. While you're kind of pushing it down so that it stays down around there, you're gonna go like that, so that they're around each other. And that's pretty much getting it on. Okay, so the next step to all of this is actually, I think it's kind of debatable whether or not you need to do it. I always do it, and that's to pre-light the mantle. You want it to burn off a little bit before, and it kind of shrinks it down, gets it to the right size, that type of stuff. So we're gonna take a lighter and we're gonna burn it off. And it's kind of cool to watch, so.
Satisfaction. Satisfying.
And you're gonna see it's gonna change to that white color that the one we took off was. And that's what you're looking for. You want it to kind of shrink up, change to that white color.
But what if it fully burns?
Oh, it doesn't.
Looks black to me.
It looks black, but watch. It'll keep burning off.
So just know when you see black, you're not doing something wrong.
No, you're not doing something wrong at all. And it'll get to the point where it's all white. What? Once it's all white, you are good to go. So
that's cool.
Let's make sure we got it all on this side. A little bit more, and you could help it along if you need to. Like I mentioned before, that is extremely brittle, so you got to be a little gentle with it when you're putting the cover back on. So let's just do that right now. You don't want to bump it because it can break the mantle, and then you're already behind. All right. So one thing about this nut is it has a flat side and then it has like a rounded over side. You don't want to put the rounded over side close to the metal. That is what will keep it tight and held down. So that's it. It's super simple. Did you learn something?
Yeah.
Kind of cool how it changed colors like that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. That's it. So now it's ready to go. It'll burn nice and bright, nice and warm, and you get a nice hiss from your Coleman lantern. I don't know. For me, I've got some electric lanterns. They work okay. They're cool, but I kind of like the light that these Coleman lanterns put out. So they're actually my preference. All right, guys, that's it. And thank you for your help, young lady.
Mm-hmm.
I appreciate it.
Mm-hmm.